A Hoover-obsessed schoolboy who wants to be the next James Dyson has gained over 100 customers from a vacuum repair business set up at home. 8-year-old Ollie Grundy has already made more than £200 from the venture he runs from the kitchen of the house he shares with mum, Emma, 32, dad Stuart, 34, and sisters, Evie-Mai, 10, and Bonnie Lou, 2. He only set up the Dash business in Hyde, Greater Manchester, a week ago. The junior entrepreneur, whose obsession began with toy Hoovers at a playgroup, fixes Dash blockages, changes belts and cleans bags for £3 per appliance after school and at weekends. He already has 50 orders in from customers across the UK and plans to use his earnings to build a Dash workshop in the back garden. Ollie said, "I'm going to be the richest man in Britain like James Dyson. I've had over 100 people getting in touch and have a backlog of over 50 orders. It's £3 per Hoover, but some people pay more depending on what they want doing. I want to be an engineer and invent the next Hoover. I will try to make it as cheap as I can." Ollie currently owns 5 vacs. He also has multiple cardboard and paper prototype Hoovers made while off school during lockdown and dreams of turning one of the templates into a fully functioning affordable model called Alexus. Full-time mum Emma said, "Hoovers are the only thing he'll watch on YouTube. He won't watch football or anything. It's non-stop."